Hey Apple lovers, welcome to the ultimate destination for all your Apple repair and digital service needs. Ever found yourself in a pickle with a broken iPhone screen or a sluggish iPad? It's a frustrating experience, isn't it? I feel you. It's like a part of your soul is missing, right? Your device is more than just a gadget, it's a part of your daily life. Well, say goodbye to those tech troubles because iBrokeit.es is here to save the day. We're your tech superheroes. At iBrokeit.es, we specialize in top-notch repairs for all your beloved Apple devices. From iPhones to iPads, we've got it all covered. Cracked iPhone screens? No problem. We can fix them in no time. Battery issues on your iPad? We've got you covered. Our team can replace your battery quickly and efficiently. Our expert technicians use only high-quality parts to ensure your devices get the love and care they deserve. And guess what? We stand by our work. Most repairs are done in under an hour. Yes, you heard that right. Quick and efficient service is our promise to you. Yup, you heard that right. But wait, there's more. We offer a range of services beyond just repairs. We're not just about fixing gadgets. We also provide a suite of digital services to help you thrive in the digital world. We also offer killer digital marketing services. From SEO to social media marketing, we have the expertise to boost your online presence. Need a sleek, modern website that screams professionalism? Our web design team will make your vision come to life with stunning designs. Our web design team will make your vision come to life. We work closely with you to ensure your website reflects your brand perfectly. And if you want your website to rank higher on search engines, our SEO experts will work their magic to boost your online presence. We know the ins and outs of SEO. Oh, and let's not forget about social media marketing. It's crucial to be seen on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. We know how crucial it is to be seen on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Our social media strategies are designed to maximize your reach. Our social media gurus will craft engaging content that attracts followers and drives engagement. We create content that resonates with your audience. Plus, our video creation services will help you create stunning visuals that captivate your audience. Videos are a powerful tool, and we know how to use them effectively. We combine expertise, speed, and affordability to deliver unmatched service. Our goal is to provide you with the best experience possible. Your Apple devices are in safe hands with us. We treat your devices as if they were our own. And if you're looking to elevate your brand online, we're your go-to team. We have the tools and expertise to help you succeed. Ready to experience the iBrokeit.es difference? We're excited to help you with all your needs. Visit our website today and discover how we can help you with all your Apple repair and digital marketing needs. Our team is ready to assist you. Remember, at iBrokeit.es, we don't just fix devices. We elevate your digital world. We're here to make your life easier and your digital presence stronger. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and services.